Kyntiew Eastern College Khliehriat East Jaintia Hills District kadai ka college kabala seng house nam shia jar khandai spa khandai puar kadai ka shlem ai jingnang jing start kaba ai ya ka jing shakri kaba ratba ya ka than East Jaintia Hills District ha kaba kyntiew ya ka jingnang jing start but ha ka ju khubor kibor binya jong ka college bala lam khamat da principal u Dr. Vision nongtudu ki shem ya ki sinjam ban besut hapo ki jingmut jing perkhat jong ki samla pule halor kumno ban kyntiew ya ka imlang ka sahlang ban kyntiew ya ka bha ka miat kyntiew ya ka khai ka pateng ka yo ka kot kumju ru ban it ya ka mei mariang ka Kyntiew Eastern College kala shem ya ki sinjam ban kyntiew ya ki samla pule da ka bathau ya ka center ki ba ai jing hikai kum ka diksha beauty care ka bala kirshan lang da ka dalmia bharat company bat bun ngut ki samla ki la ban pyntip ya ka ne ka jingsha hikai na po ka ne ka center ka ba na college bat ki samla pule kila la ru ban thau ya ki lat kamai bat kila la ban dan jingtip hakikam ba ïadei bat ki dukan pen bhabriu la ne ki beauty parlor Shu ka college ka lathauru ki shlem ai jing hikai hakikam electrical work kiba ai jing hikai haka electrical wiring but bon ki samla puli kila la banle ya ka ne ka kam hadien ba kila pyntip ya ka jingsha hikai la ne ka entrepreneurship cell isel jong ka Kyntiew Eastern College Khliehriat kala shem ya ka jingya trelang bat ka prime meghalaya kumju ru bat ka MBMA la dabru ban penlong ya ki program ai jing hikai ba life sngi balatep kum ka assistant electrician kam entrepreneurship in electrical wiring ha kabala pinkut ya ka program ha artarik uremphang arhaja upunreu ha Green Valley Industries Limited nongsynshar ha kabala sam ya ki sernat shakibala pyntip ya ka jingsha hikai ya ka binta ba ïadei bat ka jinglet shaka karkhana ne industrial visit lapan ya du MV Rao GM Process Green Valley Industries Limited ubala airu ka jingkran dangshen kata min ha ka khatsau trek ubna yayong ka college ka penlong ru ya ka way ka program ka ba compare bat kham kirpang ka ba ïadei bat ka jing pershang bat twat buit na ki samla pule ki ba na rilom jantia ha ka ba ïadei bat ka binta ba kumno an kyntiew ya ka khai ka pateng ha East Jaintia Hills District latip kum ka ideathon hackathon 2026 innovating for sustainable development in East Jaintia Hills bat ha ka ne ka program ka college ka la yo ya ka jingkershan ka barat ba na ka prime meghalaya ha ka ba layadan ringkat langru o functional manager district commerce and industry center Khliehriat uba jipala kinong trei ki bana ka tnad prime meghalaya ba kynthup ka kong america shooting bat uba damang bahaki wan bat lasakhi langru da Dr. Bikir me o nongtudu ubadei u principal jongka dekhya East Secondary School kum ukongsan Hakane ka ideathon hackathon arhaja upunreu kiladan hadu khat artali ki kynhun jang ki samla pule ki bana rilom jantia ki belami ransan bat ai jingkran bat pin I yala ki jong ki nongrim ki ba ïadei bat ki jingyo I jong ki halor ka binta kumno ban sedang ne ban le ye ki kam khayi pateng ban yeng hala ki jong ki kijan ki samla pule ki balawan ban shembenta ki dei ki bana Yang Nongba Government College Jawai, Kyntiew Eastern College Khliehriat, Thomas Jones Senate College Jawai, Don Bosco College Vindihati, East Jaintia Hills District, Nongtalang College, West Jaintia Hills District, Yaka program la pinya do Professor Ban Pins Kambha Papang, Ubabat Komu SPOC Isel, Kyntiew Eastern College Khliehriat. U Dr. P nongtudu ulaong manalor ki jing start jing tip baki samla ki yo ha ki shlem pule ne ki college ka long ka badan kamru ban pinrung hapo ki college ya ki shnat la ne ki center ba pher ki ban ai jing hikai ya ki samla bat baki center ken kala long ru kum ka jing ple la ki samla pule ban thau ya ki lat kamai bakin num long kita ki samla ki ba khlem kam khlem jam Nakaliang uba damang bahakiwan, uba na prime, ula long ru kum u resource person, bat habakran haga jingyalang, ula batay bat pensyay ki benta, bat ki jingtemu jang ka prime Meghalaya, halor kumno ban kyntiew ki samla, haki kam, bat ïadei bat ka khayi pateng. Ula ong ru, baka prime ka la ru ban ay jingkershan da ka pisa, ka jinglam lenti, bat jingkemi benya, mentorship ya ka jingla ki samla haka kam khayi. Ula penslur bat ay mensie mi ki samla pule bakin mi syakhamat man sedang ya ki kam haka khayi pateng. U penslur ru bakin shem ya ka ni ka rinsan idea tan haka tan kum ka rinsan ka ban ay but ay jingtip halor kumno ban penlong ya ki kam khayi pateng ki bajab bat basaiso. Hakani ka program idea tan hackathon la yoi bat lap baki phang ban kyntiew ki kynthup ru halor kumno ban kyntiew bat ban kamai na ki kam chungo kai per thei na ka rap ka riang kum ka bathau ya ki agriculture and food processing man thau ki lat kamai pisa Lyngba ki technology kum ka digital solution for rural development la batai bat pensyai ru halor ka waste management and environment innovation in electrical system bat ki way ki samla pule ki banaki te ki college hari lom chantia ki la batai shai halor kumno ban sedang ya ka kam ban long kum ka lat kamai ka balong kat kum ka jingyo I jangki bat ka ni ka jingkiw ransan jangki ru ka long shibenta kum ka jingya kop pen ibut ha ki kam ba ïadei bat ki lat kamai ne ka khayi ka pateng da ka ba pindan kam da ki mar ki bala ban yo na po ka than hi ha ka jingya kop ka kyang Nongba government college jawai kalal ra ya ka nam la du ha ka first prize bat yo khor ya ka khong pisa ka ba khat san hajar tingka bat la ya shimbenta do samla R1 da o dakhar Noel darne bat u da wan langki sutanga ka Thomas Jones Sinat College kala job ha ka kirdan ka baar na second prize bat khoria ka pisa ka ba ship hau hajar tingka bat la ya shimbenta da usaman langki suchang hei bha mi suchen ka agatha jongte da shailin nongshli ka nong talang college ka wan ha ka kirdan balai bat yo khoria ka pisa ka ba san hajar tingka bat la ya shimbenta da ka samla phi bakor el kado bismo patro snehashi bata charji finance bare bat mimom das oprasa banpin stambha papang ula ong bakane karinsan idea tan hackathon 8000 arpun riew kadai shisha karinsan kababyang bha na kabenta ki samla pule ha kaba ki yo ya kalat kabapaka bakin pin I shakaperthei ya kata ka jingring dor jongki ha ki jingbut jingperkhat halor kumno ne sedang ya ka khayi ka pateng ki yo jingmut ru ya ki kam ki jam ha ka khayi ka pateng bat ka ne karansan ka thap ru hapo ka jingmut jing perkhat jang ki samla pule ya ki ki be ïadei bat ki lat ka mai bakin long kita ki nong khayi ki bakiu shakhmat haringkat ka jingnang jingstan.
How many years does it take, suppose now if you are planning to replenish that area, right? So if you're planning to cultivate this pineapple, how many years does it take to make the soil fertile?
To make the soil fertile, first and foremost, like we are planning to utilize the land which are already available, and then for the post-mining area where cultivation is not possible, we will plant the photo irrigation plant. As we have shown, there is citronella, lemongrass, and sunflower. They have the qualities to take up those heavy metal from the soil and also the living the soil in about 2 to 3 years. Which you can see the one there. According to our calculations, the on-production cost expenditures will be that much, and the actual revenue will be that much, because this is the revenue chart and the volume of all the products with the prices. And we are planning to sell them to local vendors, marts, cafes, and all, because they will be utilizing them. And so, based on that, the MRP is based there, but then we will be selling it to them at a much lower selling price, because we need to sell our products.
Our ideathon project title, The Spectrum's Crunch that defined the banana chip. So basically, banana chips is quite a very simple chips, a traditional simple chip. So and today we start out with we are not only focusing on the banana chips, but also we are focusing on the innovations for sustainability and empowering the local communities in East Kyntiew especially. So please next slide. So the concept of our banana chips is that banana chips is very common, but also they are usually seems to be simple and traditional with very limited innovations. So our idea today is to bring these simple banana chips into an innovations, premium branding experiences.
Is your government college here? Okay. The second is JEC College Group 1. Alright, Group 1. And Thomas Jones Senior College. Is Thomas Jones here? Thomas Jones, can I see your hands? Okay, Thomas Jones are here. And then JEC College Group 2. And then Don Bosco College will be here. Okay. And then we have JEC College Group 3, then Nongtalang College.
Where we fund the e-cells. That's why this ideathon exists today. So this, I'm sure this is the first ideathon of JEC, and this is the first step for many steps to go. So this is not only the first opportunity that you get a lot of opportunity on these kind of programs. Be confident when you present, give it your best, because these are the many opportunities that you will get in future. So I want to end this speech of mine by saying, by quoting what Albert Einstein have mentioned, that imagination is more important than knowledge. For knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces